All right, let's give the steak a taste. Amenity kit review. I have the one for guys here, and this is going to be different since I have one for male and one for female for the wife. So we're going to be doing both of them. So with that said, let's start with this one. It's a nice bag, leather, feels really good. This is where the fun stuff is. Shave, which they have in the bathroom, brush your hair, dental kit. Oh yes, I actually was going to use the one for me. I'll use this one right now. Oh, it's cold. Let's show you the real stuff. Bugatti, T-Guy, Hublon, Cologne. Oh man, that smells good. Oh, aftershave. Hydrating body emulsion. Cleaning towel. Very cool. Very, very nice. Like this bag, like the actual big bag. This one, definitely much bigger. We'll come back to this. Very cool. Pink one. Same. This is different. The Bugatti mirror. Got his own little slip. Nice big bag inside. Hot towel. Rubinia. Same for both genders. Same thing. Face. Let's smell this. I like mine better, of course. It's got a cinnamon smell to it. Nice bag. I like the bag. So there you go. Male, female. One thing I forgot to show you regarding amenities. It's the mirror with a light and then a fancy tray that comes with face mist, cream, you name it. This is pretty popular for Emirates, so we'll be taking this home as well, just like this one. Mom should be happy, so this goes to mom. Love you, mom. This is for you. And of course, taking this one for dad. So something for everybody.